The nature of reality in this world is that everybody is broken to some degree, as if on a continuum from entirely screwed up over here to entirely whole over here. No one is entirely screwed up and out of reach. No one is entirely whole and perfect. Everybody falls somewhere in between. The idea that there are normal people in the world is not real. The idea that there are abnormal people in the world is not real. What is real is that there are people who fall closer to the whole end of the spectrum, and there are people who fall closer to the screwed end up of the spectrum. But everyone is broken. Everyone. Even the most beautiful, the most glamorous, the most popular, don't worry, they are broken too. The difficulty that we all experience interacting with others is a result of this brokenness. A pause to state the obvious that I don't understand all of the dynamics surrounding all of this. That said, some interactions are more difficult than others, interactions with others, and some are easier and more enjoyable than others, primarily due to the amount of brokenness in you and in the other person. If there's not much brokenness in you or the other person, it's going to be easier and more enjoyable, your interaction with that person. If there's a lot of brokenness in either you or the other person, it's going to be more difficult and not so enjoyable. This is normal to life. Since this is the case, that everybody is broken to some degree, it is therefore normal to be broken. That is normal. Abnormal is when someone appears to have it all together because no one does. Now, there are people in the world who are, as previously mentioned, much closer to the being whole end of the spectrum, and are therefore much more secure in who they are. That is a good thing. But they are still not completely whole. No one is. So, no matter where you fall on the spectrum, understand that we all of humanity, are broken, and it is therefore normal to be broken.